स्वाध्याय टीवी। डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी।
Namaskar. With the blessings of Almighty, I am Dr. Manoj Shah, welcoming all of you in the series of lectures for the topic of cost accounting through Swadhyay Television. I hope all of you will enhance your knowledge through the series of lectures of the cost accounting in coming days. I hope you will get all the knowledge through this cost accounting, and today I will begin with the introduction of a cost accounting. What is cost accounting and what type of characteristics has been designed for the cost accounting? Why the cost accounting techniques is so much important to the requirement of an accounting system? How the cost accounting has been synchronized with the other accounting system and also to be matched with the part of a financial accounting system as well as the managerial accounting system. As such, there are very important three accounting system has been established or very popular in this scenario in these days. The one is a financial accounting, which is actually provided all the financial data and financial informations in the sequence where the actual accountant are going to record all this information and statistical data in a specified format to analyze the financial information. The cost accounting comes into the picture where the assumptions of the data has been compared with the actual data, and the managers are supposed to be understood and taking a decisions for the future planning, and the budgetary device for the cost accounting comes into the picture. So here where we are going to discussion about the cost accounting introduction, where the different topics to be discussed, that what is introduction, the definition of cost, costing and cost accounting, advantages of cost accounting, limitations of the cost accounting, functions of the cost accounting, comparisons between the cost accounting and financial accounting, and so more. So let's begin with the introduction. What is cost accounting? Cost accounting is a conscious and rational procedures by accountants for the development of the system where relating such cost to specific product and services has to be identified, which helps the cost accounting establishes a different type of setup of budgets and budgetary control with the help of different techniques and methods, where the cost has been identified at the time of where the products and services either may be manufactured or to be rendered. Cost accounting is a set of procedures uses in refining a raw data into a usable informations for management decisions, as well as making a certain decision for the future planning and future growth. Cost accounting is a management information system which analyzes a systematic past of the requirement informations in the past, present and future. So which is actually provided a best optimum level of utilization of resources to analyze the system of methods. Now coming into the next point, that is definition. The definitions which provides the informations of how the particular system would be helpful. Let's begin with the first definition, cost. Cost is a sacrifice of available resources. If you want to take an example, suppose Mr. X is purchase X product Y. So in that case, when you spend something for the purchasing of a product Y, that concern is the product Y cost is actually for the product for the person X. So this is what the informations of the cost. Now costing, the techniques and the process for ascertaining the cost, which is called costing. So it means that when you apply the different techniques and methods to analyze the cost, it is called a costing. and cost accounting, it's a mechanism of an applied technique for raw data to analyze and develop in such a way that you can design a future plan and budgetary control. This is what all about a cost accounting. So, in that sense, the three different definitions has been actually identified, that what is cost and how the cost has been actually playing an important role in the system, how the identified of the cost that would be identified through the costing, and what is cost accounting. It is simply mechanisms, and the mechanism which actually helpful to apply the right methods and techniques to identify the cost. So, this is what all about a definition. Now, moves for the next topic, that is objective of cost accounting. There are many objectives of the cost accounting, but if you identified a few objectives through their definitions, the first important objective is to ascertain a cost. It means that any particular businessman or an industry or an organizations are applied actually a system of cost accounting to identify, to ascertain the cost of a manufacturing of a product or maybe a rendering a services. It means that if they identified the cost and ascertain the cost, it would be helpful to design their future plan of action. So, the first important objective is to ascertain a cost. The next objective is to maintain a systematic record. Fine. How actually maintain a systematic record? Once you actually applied a cost accounting methods, at least you identified what is your cost unit, what are the cost centers, and what are the departments. So, that means that everything has been designed in a proper structure, and as per the cost unit, you identified the respected cost, and particularly cost has been actually divided and discriminate as per the cost centers. So, it means that to maintain a systematic record, you willing to know that the cost has been analyzed and classified in a systematic manner to evaluate the cost account. Next is for comparison, to provide actual figure with the statistical data. That means, as I already mentioned, that the financial accounting and cost accounting is a part of a comparisons. It means that you certain period of time you are actually needed a comparisons of a financial accounting and cost accounting. So, that the cost accounting is helpful to compare a data of actual data and predetermined data, or maybe you can say then estimated data. So, when you are actually have a preparations of the budgetary system, that at that point of time the analysis or maybe accountant has been actually designed a certain data in a prescribed format, and that data would be compared with the actual data and find out the differences. This is actually helpful to identify the right cost for the right product. Next is budgetary control. This objective would be helpful for all the aspects. It helps to the managers as well as the managerial aspects. It means that the budget has been prepared on the basis of the cost predetermined structures. Certain period of time when you design a cost, and as per the cost structure, you identified that the how much amount of cost willing to be considered for the particular product, and then the amount of budget has been planned, and that budget would be helpful to control your cost, to reduction of the cost, avoid the wastages and other part of things. The next is furnish a necessary data. Why you need to furnish a necessary data? This objective would be helpful to prepare a financial statement. Financial statement like a profit and loss account and balance sheet. So, in this case, when you are actually having a certain data to be analyzed and furnished, at that point of time you can synchronize the data for preparations of financial statement like P&L account and balance sheet. Next is wastage of time, money and material resources. This is a very important objective of the cost accounting. Why? Because of you can use and utilize your resources in optimum level, where you can reduce your wastages as well as money and material resources would be find out the right time or right utilization and reduce your cost. The next is continuous checking. It is a procedure. Cost accounting is an actually create your habit to observe your continuous observations in the system, where it is actually where is the problem and how you can identify that problem and continuously you can rectify that problem, and smoothly you can work your system. The another important topic, important objective is to concern with the managers and how it would be affected and effectively utilized in the managerial skill to reduce your cost. The next is the functions of cost accounting. Which are the functions of the cost accounting? The first is, it involves recording and analyzing a cost, which provides a different divisions, departments and units wise the amount of informations has been recorded systematically and getting informations through the actual cost data. The next is systematic record and analysis of different items. So, the amount of informations which you are already collect, now you need to record the informations in the respected structure. Here, where you are actually identified the cost data and prepared certain structures and the informations which is helpful to design your financial planning for the coming days. Next is detailed cost information. It is a valuable aid to the management where the detailed cost informations has been identified through the cost accounting methods. Next is compute a net results. How you would actually calculate the net results? The net results would be calculated on the basis of where the amount of cost informations has been identified as per the estimated cost and the predetermined cost, and that you are actually find out your actual data would be recorded in the systematic accounts and find out your net results for the operations at the short intervals and at the time of the certain period of time whenever you need. The principal factor of the cost accounting is the cost allocating is the unit of activity rather than the period of time. Why it is actually a unit of activity? Because of the whenever you are actually applying the find out the cost allocations for the different department, the unit is more important rather a period of time. So, this is the most important function where you can identify the how many number of units are manufactured for this particular product, or maybe how many number of considerations for the service sector, and on the basis of that you can identify your cost allocations. Cost accounting also enables the management to make a special cost studies for the comparisons of the informations to reduce your cost and find out the efficiently and effectively of the cost information. So, this is what all about the functions of cost accounting. Now, then moving to the next point, that is importance of cost accounting. Importance of cost accounting has been divided into 4 parts. The first part is the importance related to aid to management. How it would be very much important to the management. It would be important for a management in the form of where the amount of depreciations or in a part of a competition, how the price of a product can be fixed. That is the first part. How the selling price can be designed, how the cost can be reduced to match and increase your market share in the product or in maybe in the market. Then how you can actually estimating your market situations, channelizing your production, effective utilizations of raw materials, and as well as the profitability to be increased. So, these are actually a part of functions which are helpful